Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Ford Fusion headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cool. You'll need a new headlight bulb and a flathead screwdriver. Open the hood and secure it safely. Now, identify which headlight bulb needs replacing. This guide makes the process straightforward, helping you get back on the road with clear visibility in no time. It's a simple repair you can easily do yourself. Next, we need to access the bulb. Use your screwdriver to remove the two bolts holding the headlight assembly in place. Once those are out, gently pull the entire assembly straight forward. It might feel a little snug, but it will come out. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it free. This gives you full access to the bulb. Now for the replacement. Twist the bulb's socket about 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the socket, ensuring it seats correctly. To finish up, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the back of the headlight assembly. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting position, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Reinstall the two retaining bolts you removed earlier, tightening them firmly. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.